Wellness is a state of being surrounded by positive energy and health at its finest. Located in Satara, up in the mountains near the renowned World Heritage Site Khas Plateau, we at Nisarga Herbs aim to bring ancient Ayurvedic wisdom in daily life with the help of modern-day scientific innovations. Beginning right at the soil, we employ organic farming techniques over conventional methods to reap the fullest and the purest benefits in our finished products to enrich your wellness. Spanning over 30 acres, consisting of farms, botanical gardens and forest plantations, is a home for more than 400 different herbs. As part of our commitment to the process, we employ the surrounding community and support them with the opportunity to better their livelihoods. We have trained around 15 to 20,000 farmers over the last 25 years on the applications of organic farming, helping them understand the strengths and weaknesses of the land and innovations that are lacking in conventional farming. Our herbs are freshly handpicked to be taken over the manufacturing facility, where they are carefully stored before starting the extraction process. The cultivation of herbs and formulations of all our products are based on Ayurvedic principles. However, the methods we use to process these extractions and formulations are technologically advanced and globally recognized. It serves as an advantage to us, enabling us to extract the holistic essence of herbs at concentrations unheard of before, which accomplishes our mission to create safe products free from toxins, microbial loads, heavy metals or any other contamination. Our path-breaking technology allows us to combine fat-soluble and water-soluble molecules, making our products highly effective and ensuring faster results. This is how the right formulations help us fulfill the purpose of making our products as effective as conventional medicine, but without the side effects that come with it. Not only do we use the safest and the most effective techniques, we also conduct extensive research, clinical trials, and testing of every ingredient. Technology is truly an able partner to ancient Ayurveda, helping us make organic more than just a label by ensuring the only ingredients in herbal products are herbs. The sun has set, but your journey towards health and wellness has only just begun. A warm and nurturing wellness partner with you every step of the way.